Hello friends and welcome back to Gentle Herb Living, where we explore the timeless ways plants can help us thrive in our modern world. Today, we're focusing on something nearly all of us deal with: skin that feels dull, dry, or irritated after long hours in front of screens and under artificial lights. The truth is, blue light exposure and indoor stress can speed up skin aging and weaken your skin's natural barrier. But don't worry, nature has given us beautiful allies to protect and replenish. Let's look at 5 powerful herbs you can use right at home to soothe and defend your skin naturally. First up is calendula, the golden flower known for its calming and regenerative properties. Calendula is rich in flavonoids and antioxidants that help repair damaged skin cells and reduce inflammation. You can create a simple calendula infusion by steeping dried petals in hot water for 10 minutes, then straining and cooling it. Use this liquid as a gentle facial rinse or toner after cleansing to calm redness and support healing. If you grow calendula yourself, you'll always have fresh petals on hand for quick remedies. Second is green tea, a household favorite that does wonders when applied to your skin. Green tea contains catechins, which help fight free radicals caused by blue light exposure. A cool green tea compress can refresh tired skin and reduce puffiness. To make it, brew a strong cup of organic green tea, let it cool completely, then soak a soft cloth and lay it over your face for 5 to 10 minutes. You can also store the liquid in a spray bottle for an antioxidant-rich mist anytime your skin feels stressed. Third, we have aloe vera, a classic healer for dryness and irritation. Aloe gel contains polysaccharides that hydrate deeply and create a light protective barrier against environmental stress. If you have a fresh aloe plant, simply cut a leaf, scoop out the gel, and apply it directly to clean skin. Leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing or let it absorb fully as a natural moisturizer. Regular use keeps your skin supple and helps counteract the drying effects of indoor heating and air conditioning. Fourth is rose petals, which bring gentle toning and soothing benefits. Rose water is especially effective for calming sensitive or reactive skin. To make your own, steep fresh or dried petals in hot water, cover and let them infuse as the water cools. Strain out the petals and store your rose water in a glass spray bottle. A spritz throughout the day refreshes your skin, balances pH, and adds a lovely subtle fragrance that lifts your mood. Finally, kola is an underrated gem for supporting your skin's resilience. Rich in triterpenoids, kola helps boost collagen production and improve circulation, which can make your complexion look more vibrant. You can create a strong tea infusion to use as a toner or combine a few drops of kola extract with aloe gel for a potent skin serum. If you found these herbal tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Gentle Herb Living and click the bell so you never miss our natural skincare guides. Share this video with friends who'd love to protect their skin the gentle herbal way. Let's keep growing beauty and wellness together, one plant at a time.